All right, so I just got my Emeril Lagasse French Door air fryer 360. This thing is awesome. It's got so many functions. You can air fry, you can toast, I can even rotisserie a chicken in this thing. Today, I'm really excited to grill my steaks for you. Put a little seasoning on, then I like to rub it in. First thing you want to do is you're going to roll through to the presets. We're going to go to grill. We got to preheat this griddle here, so we're going to slide that in just to get it ready, and we're going to hit start. Okay, so it's done preheating. You know, depending upon how you like it, it might take 15 minutes, it might take 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my steaks, but I'm gonna add some fries to the basket because I love fries with my steak. Look at those perfect grill marks. Look at that. What you get also is you get a little area so you know where to put your fries. I'm just gonna slide my fries right on top of there. And this was so easy. All I did was press a button to the presets, and I have a perfectly cooked steak, some crispy fries, and I'm fed.